In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a campaign in Salesforce Lightning. If you're new to Salesforce or just looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. We'll be going over each step in detail, ensuring you have everything you need to successfully set up a campaign. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Campaigns tab. Now, if you don't see it in your navigation bar, don't worry. It's very easy to find. Simply go to the app launcher, often represented by a grid of dots at the top left of the screen, and type in Campaigns. Once it pops up, go ahead and click on it to open the Campaigns page. Now, with the Campaigns page open, look for the New button and give it a click. This will take you to a form where you'll start filling out the details for your new campaign. This brings us to an important part of our setup, filling in your campaign details. Start by giving your campaign a descriptive name. Choose something that clearly communicates what the campaign is about, because this name will help you and your team easily identify and track your campaigns later on. Next, you'll see a pick list labeled campaign type. Here you can select the type of campaign you're launching, whether it be an advertisement, email campaign, webinar, or something else. Selecting the appropriate campaign type helps in categorizing and analyzing the performance later on. After you've selected the campaign type, it's time to define the status of your campaign. This might be planned, in progress, or completed. The status helps you and your team monitor the campaign's progress and make necessary adjustments over time. As you scroll down, you'll find a section for writing a brief description of the campaign. This is your opportunity to outline the purpose, goals, and any additional context necessary, effectively serving as a mini plan for your campaign. Then take a look at other fields such as start date, end date, and parent campaign. Completing these fields will give your campaign a time frame and, if applicable, connect it to a larger, overarching campaign. Entering this data helps streamline your campaign management and execution. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and double-checked everything for accuracy, you're ready to create your campaign. Simply click the Save button, and voila, your campaign is live within Salesforce Lightning. And there you have it. You've now set up a campaign in Salesforce Lightning. Remember, campaigns are essential tools that support your marketing goals, making it important to thoroughly fill out all relevant details. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments below, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Salesforce tips and tricks.